Mabuhay, good day. I am Mark Isigal Takardon Correc, currently a third year student pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at the University of Southern Mindanao, Cabacan Campus. I am reaching out with full motivation and commitment as I actively seek a host establishment where I can complete my required on-the-job training. Throughout my academic journey, I have gained comprehensive training covering various key areas of the industry, including food and beverage services, housekeeping operations, front office management, and guest relations. However, my greatest strength and true passion lie in the culinary arts. Cooking is my expertise. I have honed my skills not only through classroom instructions and laboratory activities but also in actual cooking engagement outside school setting. These experiences have allowed me to practice different cooking techniques, food preparation standards, and proper kitchen workflow, helping me to develop speed, accuracy, and creativity in the kitchen. Equipped with both theoretical knowledge and practical experiences, I am now fully prepared to transition from the classroom to a real work environment. I am looking for an opportunity where I can further sharpen my skills, contribute meaningfully to your team, and deliver quality service with dedication and excellences. Thank you for watching my video resume, and I hope I can be part of your team. Thank you.